main terminal, and this is the controller, and this is our bus rack, and we put one feeder on this side, one feeder on that side, and another feeder on that side. So let's see how the trains, but I cannot connect that yet. And this one, instead of crossing, I put a straight line because it doesn't really want to go through those crossings, and I don't know what's the problem. Maybe the husband can fix it tomorrow, but let's see how the train. It's gonna go through the bridge and up the hill. I'm gonna go down. It's gonna cross on that crossing, but then it doesn't really wanna go through the next time he's gonna cross.